Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there, yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana.
Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday. Mom's here with me.
Hello.
Chill out. So we're going to church today. Today is Sunday. Every Sunday you go to church. And we're eating fruits. This is Ghost Michelle banana, and then they have honey banana. So 2 different bananas, and then watermelon, which you guys know. So I will see you guys. Wait, I'm not gonna. Maybe she didn't wanna be on the road. I don't think I'm gonna like this, Mom. It smells like the one up there.
Nice.
You know? Tastes like the banana in America. Actually, no, it tastes a little bit better. I only like the honey bananas. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you go. What are you gonna cook?
Long bread.
Yeah, you just do plantain.
Yeah.
Didn't I ask you when I begged Grandma? Guys, my skin's getting so much better. You remember this from last time? It looked so much worse. Now it's getting better. I'm gonna put the cream on it when I get up there. Guys, so we are going to church today. This is my outfit. Guys, we just got to church. Look at Mom. Hottie, hottie.
City, I'm just visiting. I'm just pillaging the villages. I see 2 pretty diamonds that I want. I know they're gonna give it up. Beautiful girls are my treasure. Looting their hearts is my pleasure. I've sailed across the 7 seas, yeah, but this is my territory. Hey, 'cause I'm a pirate.
Guys, I look crazy, but we're just coming from church. Is Sketa gonna come by? Yeah, I could eat like 2. You think he's gonna come? Guys, church was good. No internet. That's why I'm asking if Felicia's here. It's gonna come here. She probably could hook it up though. She was asking when am I gonna see her?
Oh.
Manessa. But I don't have no internet right now.
I can buy a toy card.
But I didn't know it was gonna work.
You see my boy from me coming, I don't see him.
You don't have his number?
If you say phone, you mash up.
You don't have his mom's number? Guys, so we just came back from church and the service was really good. It was really, really good. Yeah. So now we're just chilling out. I hope the ice cream man comes by. I'm drinking a Tropical Rhythm. It's so good. It's guava and pineapple. Let me show you guys. And this is it. It's so good. It's like, it's not sweet or anything. It's like really, really good. Really good. I hope Skepta comes by. You guys remember Skepta from my last vlog? If you guys haven't watched that vlog, go watch it. Go watch it, But the pastor pretty much just talked about that Jamaicans should be prideful of who they are and their Jamaican culture, which I completely agree. And a whole bunch of other stuff, so. But it was good. It was a good service. Did I show you my dress? This is my dress that I wore with my nude Zara heels. And that's what I wore. And now we're about to cook Sunday dinner. And yeah. It's hot, guys. So I'll see you guys later when we start cooking. Oh, I think my mom's cooking. Mom! You want me to cut up the vegetables? And I'm cutting up the vegetables because you know I'm a chef.
I'm now till sun up. It's summer, and the coolest summer. The coolest summer. This is the coolest summer. No school it's summer. Every student summer. We gotta act like summer. This is the rudest summer. It's summer. Our time now, summertime ready. You see me better, miss you. You and that. You left off in the summer room when you come back. You make me feel like a balloon into the sky. You see me better, miss you. You and that. When we sing, girls are crazy, decent type of moving. Holding on, kissing on when shot. What's this? When you're proud every time, no second class thing. No one in the world, I share them something. If you love her from start, and you put on the ring. What you want, brother? Quick, comfortable ranking. Some ranking disappear with another man chin. So, them are the done to the busy of the key. Put it down to the key and turn them in a donkey. Them are the done to the busy of the key. Put it down to the key and turn them in a donkey. You see, when you dance, I little price of wine. You see, that comes the fun, girl, wine. You see, if you can, when you hold your man and you carry. You see, what peers time when you see your mate. You see, get a try dress, but your mate not ready. You see, your mate look like